What's going on, guys? Wanted to do a quick trade update on this market simply because I can see some confusion and I just want to clear it up very quick. So we have been waiting for, well, initially we started off the week us looking for sells on this market. Beautiful break and retest the structure, retest around psychological level. 4 hour had a beautiful double top formation. Waiting for a little retest and then have an entry signal here to then sell, which I would have been interested in the trade, but on this retest there was no entry confirmation, so we avoided this loss at this point right here, which is amazing. So what do we do then at that point? We simply react and adapt. We have the strong daily body closure above, so now we're going to use this same resistance level as support. Clearly, whenever we're above, we're buying. Whenever we're under, we're selling. So I'm going to be waiting for a higher low to then take the trade to the upside. We get the higher low that happens to perfection to the area, retests it exactly how I wanted to. And let's just suppose that we would have been entering positions right around this area after this bullish engulfing candlesticks with a rejection from our round psychological level, area of interest, and our EMA. Our take profit would be set to this next structure point for a 1 to 2. And then we hit the set and forget. Price then has the movement right up to our take profit point. And once we're at this point right here that we have broken above this previous structure level, I would have continued to set and forget. And what I'm about to tell you guys right now might shock you because it's something that 99% of the gurus out there won't say, and they would just call this a win, even though technically, according to my logic and according to my morals, this I would actually count as a loss. Not because of this point right here, but because of this point right here. If this trade has this beautiful price action heading to the upside, 4 hour time frame creating beautiful bullish moves, I would have definitely extended my take profit to this 4 hour structure point, or even the high of this box to get a minimum of a 1 to 3.5. And I would have even looked at daily structure point above the EMA and right above this structure level, because it's just simply what the technicals are indicating that it can possibly do. And what would have happened is that I would have remained with my entries at where it is and my stop loss where it is. I don't ever go put my entry at break even. It's against my rules and it simply never works. But in this case, obviously, it would have saved my trade. But with the previous trade like USD CAD, we would have avoided getting stopped out at break even, and the trade would have hit take profit, so on and so forth. So I would actually count this position as a loss, because never in a million years, and right now we are on the 15-minute time frame, would I expect that after such beautiful market structure to the upside, that I would out of nowhere get a 15-minute candlestick that would engulf basically the whole entire break and retest of this support level. So yes, the trade technically did play out, and if you would have closed at your 1 to 2, you would have had the winner. But speaking on my personal morals and my experience, I would have continued to help this trade, and I would have been interested in closing it right around 12 o'clock New York session, which is right when this happened on Friday, and we would have obviously taken the loss. The trade technically did play out, but because I like to set and forget and maximize my profits, I would have taken this loss. So I did not take the trade because I didn't get the entry that I wanted to, and obviously I hit my goal for the week on the USD CAD trade that we took. And with the perfect example on why I set and forget. I could have literally taken this loss here for a 1%, 2% of a regular account, for example. But by me continuing to set and forget this trade, I would have made that back times 3, times 4, times 5, or even times 7. So I just wanted to drop a little bit of a gem for you guys. And now for this following week, stay tuned for the Sunday swing pairs that I will be uploading very soon, because I'm going to be interested on short positions in this market. Now, since it has broken under, the daily has bearish structure, we're going to wait for this to come back, create a right shoulder, and then sell. USD CAD was an absolute beauty. It gave us the exact trade that we needed to turn the 40K into 200K. Next week, we're going to try and turn the 200K into nearly $500,000. And boys, we are almost done turning $100 into $1 million. All I can say is stay tuned, turn on those notifications, and I'll see you guys next week. Take care, guys.